In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in WooCommerce, specifically using the WooCommerce PDF Invoices and Packing Slips plugin. This tool is incredibly helpful for automatically generating and managing invoices in your online store, making life a lot easier for both you and your customers. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to install and activate the WooCommerce PDF Invoices and Packing Slips plugin. If you haven't done this before, it's just like installing any other WordPress plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, go to the Plugins section, and click on Add New. Use the search bar to find WooCommerce PDF Invoices and Packing Slips, then click Install Now, and finally, don't forget to activate it once it's installed. This plugin is essential because it seamlessly integrates the invoicing feature into your WooCommerce setup, allowing you to keep track of all your orders with ease. Next, you'll want to configure the basic settings for your invoices. Navigate to WooCommerce and then to the PDF Invoices section. Here, you can personalize your invoices to reflect your brand. Start by uploading your company logo, which will be prominently displayed at the top of each invoice. Including your logo not only makes the invoice look professional, but also reinforces your brand identity. Then, fill in your company information. Key details such as your business name, address, phone number, and email should be added to ensure complete clarity for your customers. Don't forget to customize the footer notes, which might include thank you messages or return policies, giving a warm touch to the transactional document. Lastly, define your invoice numbering system. You can choose a starting number and format that fits your business needs, which is crucial for maintaining proper record-keeping and accounting. Now, set up when your invoices will be auto-generated and sent out. This is particularly useful if you want to streamline your sales process. You can decide if invoices should be created immediately when an order is placed, after payment is confirmed, or when an order is completed. This automation simplifies the entire workflow, ensuring that your customers receive their invoices promptly without any manual intervention from your side. For those occasions where you might need to create a manual PDF invoice, the process is equally straightforward. Open the specific order from the WooCommerce Orders section. Within that order page, look for the Create PDF or Print One Download section and click on the PDF Invoice option. From there, you have the option to download the invoice directly to your computer. Alternatively, you can manually email it to your customer, which can be useful if there were changes to the order after it was initially processed. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently handle invoices for your WooCommerce store using the PDF Invoices and Packing Slips plugin, making the whole process smooth and professional. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing!